Hello students, in the previous video we have seen the first part of speech, that is noun. In this video we are going to see the second part of speech, that is pronoun. So first we will see what is meant by pronoun. Pronouns are the words which are used instead of a noun. Means repeating the noun again and again. The words we use, these are called as the pronouns. So there are 9 types of pronoun. Let's see. The first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. These are used to refer 3 persons, that is first person, second person and third person. We will see the examples. I, we, he, she, it. These are the personal pronouns. We will see the use of it in a sentence. We celebrated the day. So here, we is the personal pronoun. The second type of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun means the pronouns which are used as an object of a verb, and it refers to the same person or thing of the subject of the verb. For example, herself, himself. These are the reflexive pronouns. We will see the sentence. He, hers, himself. Here, himself is a reflexive pronoun as it is the object of the verb hurt, and it refers to the same person of the subject of the verb. So himself is a reflexive pronoun. The third type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. These are used to point out something particular or to demonstrate something. For example, this, that, these, those. These are the examples of demonstrative pronoun. We will see the sentence. This is my house. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. Here we want to demonstrate that this house is mine. So this is the demonstrative pronoun. The fourth type of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. So interrogative pronouns are used to ask the questions. The WH words means the questioning words are the examples of interrogative pronouns. For example, who, what, whom, how, etc. So these are the questioning words which are used to ask the questions. These are called as the interrogative pronouns. Let's see the example. What is your name? So what is a interrogative pronoun which we have used to ask the question. The fifth type of pronoun is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. These are the words which joins 2 sentences. Means the pronouns which are used to join 2 sentences together. These are called as the relative pronoun. For example, who, whom, what. These are the examples of relative pronouns. Here also we have used the same examples in interrogative pronoun, and in relative pronouns also there are the questioning words. But the difference will be, we will see by the giving the example. The girl who called me is my friend. Here in this example there are 2 sentences. The girl who called me and is my friend. This is the another sentence which are joined by using the pronoun who. So in relative pronoun, the pronoun comes after the subject, and in interrogative pronoun, the pronoun used or comes at the beginning of the question. Then the sixth type of pronoun is possessive pronoun. Means the pronouns which are used to show the possession or the ownership to whom the thing or the person belongs to. For example, mine, your, our. Let's see the sentence. The dog bite me is not mine. Here mine is the possessive pronoun which shows the possession. The next type of pronoun is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronouns are used to emphasis on a subject. For example, myself, herself, or himself. Here also in a reflexive pronoun, same pronouns are used, and in emphatic pronoun also there is use of same pronouns. Let me clear the difference between both by giving the example. I, myself, opened the door. Here, myself is a emphatic pronoun. Here we want to emphasize that I have opened the door. Here the pronoun is used after the subject, and in reflexive pronoun, the pronoun himself, it comes after the verb. So this is the difference between reflexive and emphatic pronoun. The next type of pronoun is distributive pronoun. It is used to distribute the things or person as a single or in a group. For example, many, some, someone. Let's see the example. Many students given a gift. So here many is a distributive pronoun which is used to distribute the things or person. And the last type of pronoun is indefinite pronoun. The word itself shows the meaning that the pronouns which does not indicate any specific or particular person or thing. These are called as the indefinite pronouns. For example, someone, no one, nobody, somebody, etc., etc. Let's see the use of it in a sentence. Nobody is going to attend the party. Attend the party. Here nobody is a indefinite pronouns which does not indicate or shows any particular person or thing. So these are the 9 types of pronouns: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, distributive pronoun, and the last one is indefinite pronoun. I hope you will understand the types of pronoun by watching this video. We will see the next part of speech in the next video. Bye.